Hi, Yellow 4. Our activity for today is a very special activity. We are going to count seeds. Are you ready? Hola, Amarillo 4. Nuestra actividad de hoy es contar semillas. ¿Estás listo? Muy bien. So here I have an apple. Aquí tengo una manzana. How many seeds do you think my apple have? ¿Cuántas semillas crees que tiene mi manzana? I think it has 5. Yo creo que tiene 5. Let's see. We're gonna open it. Are you ready? Here you go. Oh. Vamos a ver cuántas son. Vamos a contarlas. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one is digging in there. 4. Okay, let's see if this side has more. Vamos a ver si acá hay más. Este lado no tiene. So, 0. Maybe here. I see. You say 4, ¿verdad? 5 y 6. 6 semillas. Oh, wow. Let's count them again in English. Are you ready? Okay, I have them in a plate now. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 seeds in my apple. How many seeds are in your apple? Count with mommy and daddy, or maybe grandma or grandpa, whoever is at home with you today. Okay, ¿cuántas semillas hay en tu manzana? Cuéntalas con tu papá, tu mamá, tu abuelito, tu abuelita o la persona con la que estés hoy en tu casa. Y déjame saber el lunes. Mientras tanto, yo creo que voy a disfrutar mi manzana. Adiós, bye bye.